Y'all, welcome back to Join with Tyranzia. I'm going to show you how to upload your content in Stand Store. So right here, I'm at the front of my store, and I'm just going to pretty much click on my store, scroll down, do add product. So now you can tell it whether you want to collect emails, application, coach call, e-course, webinar, whatever. Digital products, custom products. So we're going to do a digital products, right? So right now you can either do a call out, a button, a call out, or a preview. Like right here, if you look right here is a change. So if I do a button, it'll look like this. If I do a call out, it'll look like this. I mostly use call outs and I mix them in with buttons because it just look good on your page. So for this particular one, I think we're gonna do a call out. Okay, so you want to select your image, just choose your image. You can use some of their stockpile images, or you can upload it from your own images. I'm gonna go to digital products, and I'm gonna do, I already created my image for it. Open, okay, and it's gonna let me edit it, crop it how I want it, okay. And look, you see that? Because that's how I designed it. Okay, if I want to do a button, that's how it'll look. Okay, so we can leave it as a button. It says download now. You can change that if you want to. So we're just going to do next. We're going to leave it as it is because we're going to download it now. Okay. The next thing we want to do is right here when people are looking at it on their smart device. This is how it'll look up. So what we'll do is we're going to choose our image that goes at the top. I think I'm going to choose the same image just for this training purposes. We'll do Fab 50. Let's see how it looks. Let me edit it. Okay. I'm going to bring it down a little bit, even it out. Okay. So you see that? You see right here where all those words are on top of it? You really don't want that, right? But you have to put something here. So you can either make this smaller or you can change your picture. So I can say, get my link now. Okay. I can put get my link now. Right? Even if you move it over, it's still going to be there. So what I want to do, I want to change my picture. I want to change my picture to bring it up a little bit more. So I'm going to do Fab 50 image, open. So you see how, looking at it, I want to bring it like right there, right? Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I need to change it just a little bit more. So I need to drop it down because now you see her head is right back there, so I want to drop it down just a little. And I spelled link wrong. Y'all could have told me. Y'all could have told me. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to bring it up, down just a little. And let's see. I may have to just redo. The whole picture. Let's see. Okay, that's good because it shows her face, it shows my image, and it's get my link now. Well, I can put download now. Download now. You know, I'm going to put it in all caps. Download now. Okay. So right here, you can change this. You can add a picture in this. So you say this, whatever it is, there's a template, book, course, whatever. So I'm going to say this template because what I'm giving you guys is a template. So I'm going to say this template will teach you everything you need to achieve your goals. No, this template, for this particular template, is this template will provide, well, I gotta take all them caps off, provide you with 50 pages of prompts and images to achieve your goal. This is a template, whatever it is that you put. This template is for you if you're looking to offer digital images, create new prompts, sell digital products. Also, if you want to use for personal or personal or business use, or share free with others. Okay. Also, make content. Make content. Okay. Now the bottom right here is telling you saying get my guide. I would say get my template because that's what I'm giving you. Get my template, right? Okay. Call to action button is purchase. That's what you want them to do. Okay. I want to do my price at $27.97 because it's gonna be it's worth more than that. You can add a payment plan if you want to. Most people like that. Split this up into 3 payments. You can add a payment plan, or you can choose not to add a payment plan. Most people like a payment plan, so we can do. So let's see. I don't know what's Let's see. Calculator. We're gonna do 27.99 divided by 3 payments. That's 933. Okay, so we can do weekly. We do 933. Okay, so they can pay that for 3 weeks. Payment, we're gonna do the payment in 3 weeks. Okay. You can add discount codes you want to, limited quantity, whatever you want to do, and you can capture their name and email. But I wouldn't say phone number is required. You can add whatever other information you want to add. But for me personally, I don't really like giving my phone number. I will, but for the most part, my email should be enough. Okay, so it says Stan will send these files automatically to your customer upon purchase. So now we saved our PDF, and we're just gonna do Fab 50. That's my PDF. Okay, I'm just gonna upload it. Okay, and you see, you always want to proofread it. So this template will provide you with 50 pages of prompts and images to achieve your goals. This template is for you if you're looking to offer digital images, create new prompts. You see that? That's why it's best to proofread stuff. Because I spelled that all wrong. Prompts, sell digital products, use for personal or business use, share free with others, make content. Okay, so I capitalize everything else. So I want to also capitalize use new prompts and or. Okay, so now just like that, I can do publish, but let me just show you this before you publish anything. You always want to don't get too cocky, don't get too company girl. Slow your roll. You want to check it. So when I click on this is my download page my customer's gonna get. So when I click on it, I want to make sure it's an open link. Let me see if it's gonna take me to the right link. Baby, it did. That is it. I'm gonna say no for right now. Baby, is it? They go to the link right there. Okay, so we know that this is good. Go back. And then we do publish. When I go to my stand store, guess what? There it is. Where is it? Right here. So I can take it and I can move it up here because I'm really feeling this product. I'm gonna move it to the top. Because when y'all come to my page, I want y'all to see it first. So right there. I want to actually, that's my freebie, but I want to use it right here. Okay. So now what I can do is I can copy this. So when I make my YouTube video, I make whatever, I can just put it in that that description, and I can send it to my customers. If I want to inbox y'all or however I want to reach my customers, I can send it in there. And you might say $27.99 is not a lot. But let me show you something about $27.99. $27.97. $27.97. I'm gonna say if I get 6 sales a day, right? That's $167.82 a day. And if I make these sales 7 times, 7 days a week, that's an extra $1,100 a week. Now, say for instance, if I make that consistently for 52 weeks, I can do times 52. That's $61,000 that you can be bringing into your home. They can replace someone's annual income. What could you do with an extra $61,000 a month? Yeah. What could you do with it? Right? Even if I only sold $27.97 times 3. Okay? Times 7 days a week. Okay? Times 52 weeks in a year. That's $30,000. You know? What could you do with $30,000? You could pay off a car in a year with $30,000 just by selling 3 digital products for $27.97 a day. You can do it. I know you can do it. You spend that, if you think about it, for me, in the morning, I'm going to tell my business. Y'all better not criticize me. Y'all better not. Listen, so in the morning, I go get me a loaded tea. Because, I think I got adult ADHD. I ain't claiming nothing. I believe in the power of words. Y'all, your girl all over the place. So I go get me a loaded tea for focus and mental clarity every morning. That's $7.50. Let's add this up. I want y'all to do the math. $7.50. Then because I work on a military base, I usually don't like to go to lunch, but we got like a little club thing on post for the salad bar. It's $12, right? Then, y'all, sometime on my way home, I stop at the dollar store. Give me a dollar store. Give me a little snack. I'm gonna say probably like $5, right? It's $5. Right there, that's $24.50 right there in a day that I'm wasting. So if I'm wasting $24.50, that's just a low ball number because y'all gotta know I gotta give me a pickle too. I love pickles. Like if y'all want to send me something for Christmas, send me a dill pickle. Send me a sour pickle. I love them. Anyway, so if I'm wasting this in a day, why wouldn't I buy a digital product that can change my life if I push it? Now, you can't just post this stuff in your stand store and then expect somebody to really want to purchase it. You got to market it every day. You got to show people what you have. Like I just built this one today. So I'm going to start marketing it tonight because I just built it today. So I got to play on social media with it, let people see what it is. And I'm not going to show them the whole 50 pages. I'm only going to show them a few pages. I'll show you though because you're my buddy. You're my friend. So I'll show you a little bit of it, not much. Because that's going to be for another video, another day. I don't even know what page is on for real. I think it's on this one. Nope. It's on this one. Y'all see these? Let me just show you this real quick. Baby, got the prompts and everything on it. That's all I'm going to show y'all. Y'all seeing too much. Y'all doing too much today. Anyway, so I'm going to market them. But with those 50 pages, they have prompts. They have images. It has like over really like 60 or 70 images for real. It has 2 ideas where you can do a daily planner. You can do a calendar, desk calendar. I love desk calendars. I live my life by a calendar. Because y'all, I keep telling y'all something crazy happened to me in September. Can't really talk about it yet. Y'all ain't got the strength to do it right now. But it changed my life. With what happened, I got 3 new children. I am so happy to have them, but the circumstances, I'm like, man. But anyway, long story short, your family deserves the best that you can give them. It'll take you like 20 minutes a day to market your digital products. But you don't want to because you're scared of what somebody's going to say. Forget what they're going to say. Because guess what? They're going to say something anyway. You know, I read this scripture today. Y'all, let me share this scripture with y'all. Hold on. Let me read it to you. Okay, y'all had to find the right scripture. I had to find the right one. So this is in the Message Bible. I be jumping from translation to translation just to make sure I get a clear understanding of what I'm reading. So anyway, it's in Deuteronomy 28:8. Y'all, you know how I just told y'all I feel like I have adult ADHD. People always say you do too much, you do this, you do that. But let me tell you something. If God gave me talents, why won't I use them? He didn't give me a talent. He gave me talents. So with an S. And y'all always struggle with that because everybody's like, you always doing this, you always doing it. Okay, but I ain't borrowing no money from you, so I'm straight. Anyway, so today this really freed me up. Deuteronomy 28:8 says in the Message translation, God will order a blessing on you, on your barns with an S, and workplaces with an S. Y'all, go look it up. It's Deuteronomy 28:8. It said workplaces, meaning you can have multiple sources of income. Workplaces with an S. Y'all, with an S. Okay? So when people tell you you're doing too much, just tell them my children eating, I'm eating, and we good over here. Okay? Y'all, leave me a comment. Leave me a comment. Bye.